The art of packing for product safety. Think about the last time you eagerly awaited a package, picturing that moment of slicing open the top to see what's inside. How a product is packed is more important than just keeping it from bouncing around. We're discussing ensuring your goodies stay safe and sound from leaving the factory until they're in your hands. Plus, there's nothing like peeling back layers of carefully wrapped goodies. It's the ultimate birthday present every time. Packing isn't only about protection, it weaves a story of anticipation and excitement, making you feel like the company gets you. So, let's unwrap the secrets behind packing, from cushioning and climate control to those fancy unboxing moments that make you smile. The impact of proper packing on product integrity. Let's talk about packing, friends. It's like the secret agent of the product world, working behind the scenes to ensure everything arrives perfectly at your doorstep. When we open a brand new item, we're all eager to get to the good stuff, right? But wait! It's time to give a massive shout-out to packing because our treasures could become tragedies without them. Imagine you've ordered your dream gadget online. You're buzzing with excitement as the delivery truck rolls up. But what if your gadget is more like a jigsaw puzzle of broken parts once opened? Not cool. This is where packing becomes the MVP, ensuring your gadget's journey is as smooth as the day it was made. Packing protects products from the wear and tear of traveling. Bumps, drops, scuffs. The world outside is a danger zone for a lonely product. But packing? It's like a superhero's armor. Cushioning materials? Think of them as the product's trusty sidekick, absorbing all the shock so the product doesn't have to. It's not just about protection, though. Packing keeps products fresh and clean, too. Imagine your favorite snack arriving in a crumpled open bag. Total disaster. But with airtight seals and moisture barriers, packing maintains that just-off-the-shelf quality. Customer satisfaction and unboxing experience. Ever ordered something online? That heart-fluttering moment when the package arrives is like no other. But what is it about thoughtful packaging that nudges our happiness meter off the charts? Innovative packaging isn't just about getting goodies from point A to point B without a hitch. Trust me, it's a whole lot more. It's like the cherry on top of a sundae or the perfect frosting swirl on your cupcake. It makes a good thing even better. In the handover from seller to receiver, delightful packaging is the silent herald of good things to come. It's the anticipation, the emotional fanfare, the drum roll, if you will. When businesses go the extra mile in packing up their products, they do more than just ship an item. They send out joy wrapped in layers of thoughtfulness, ready to bloom into an ear-to-ear smile. So yeah, thoughtful packaging? It's a recipe for happiness. Like the strawberry musk cupcakes I mentioned earlier, even if they start as a baking blunder, they end up as a sweet success. That packaging is done right, filling you with those delicious customer smile vibes. Enjoy the unboxing, folks. Cost efficiency and environmental considerations. Picture this. A parcel arrives at your doorstep, and the excitement bubbles inside as you eagerly tear into the package. But wait, what's this? Amidst the flutter of packaging peanuts, there's a realization. Each swirl of bubble wrap, each foam insert, while keeping your goods snug as a bug, also whispers a not-so-sweet truth about waste and wallets. All right, let's slice open the tape on this box of thoughts. Dive in, and you'll learn how savvy packing isn't just about keeping your treasures from becoming tragedies. It's also about tightening those purse strings and giving Mother Earth a bit of a hiatus. Who knew saving pennies and the planet could be packed into the same box? So, here's the scoop. We've been tossing around plastic like it's confetti at a New Year's Eve bash, forgetting that this party doesn't have a cleanup crew. The twist is that cutting down on all that fluff, even that air-pocketed stuff we all love to pop, can streamline our spending. Imagine you're shipping off your world-famous strawberry musk cupcakes. You've perfected the recipe, but if they arrive looking like a cupcake-turned puzzle, that's no bueno. Smart packing ensures they land looking as tempting as they did fresh out of the oven. But instead of going overboard with layers of plastic, try biodegradable options or incorporate reusable cupcake containers. Your customers savor the flavor while you savor the saved cents from reduced material costs. Plus, you've just sprinkled a little eco-love by cutting down waste. Legal and regulatory aspects of packing. One of the legal high beams we prance on is material restrictions. Shipping carriers dance to different tunes, and what's music to one might be noise to another. We can't have packages wrapped in materials that scream hazard. No-nos include flammable, corrosive, or otherwise dangerous elements that could turn that pirouette into a plunge. Plus, there's the arena of international shipping, where the choreography gets even trickier with countries setting their stage, each having a roster of forbidden packaging materials. Then there's the issue of size and weight. Imagine trying to fit into a pair of jeans 2 sizes too small. It's uncomfortable and ridiculous. Similarly, packing without considering the maximum allowed dimensions and weight is an open invitation to fines, or even worse, a closed curtain on shipping your parcel. It's about finding that sweet spot, like adding just the right amount of flour to our cupcake batter, too much or too little, and it's mayhem. So now you've got the scoop on packing's superpowers, from guarding your treasures to giving you that little burst of heck yes when you get a new package. It's like a puzzle where every piece, from eco-friendly stuffing to the laws that ensure it all goes smoothly, fits together to give you that perfect unboxing experience. And let's be real, who doesn't love that? Whether it's about saving some green, loving the planet, ensuring your stuff arrives safe, or getting that little thrill when you tear into a new box, packing is the unsung hero behind every excellent delivery. If you are interested to learn more, just visit the link on the caption or visit www.mondoro.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.